the answer is, when we get through, the question is, when we get through more of the years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and so much will be explained about the universe, the cosmos, and science in general, was science, mathematics have to be rewritten. It might, because as we go further and further to the unknown, and we learn more, they're going to have another branch of mathematics. And that doesn't mean, like, it just means we advance. The science, the mathematics that we once knew was only good to a point till we explain more and more. Then we're going to have to use a new branch of mathematics. Grin Square said it best. Our best science, where we are now, is child's play compared to where we'll be at. This means, in other words, he means our science is, there's so much in the cosmos, our science is very limited. As we progress more and more, find more answers to the cosmos of science, the more advanced we'll get in mathematics. The new mathematics we'll learn. The more complicated mathematics we'll learn. Until we solve it. So, there's nothing wrong with mathematics goes out the window. It's just like, for instance, you have remember there was surgery in long, 10, 20 years ago, right? Our advancement in surgery changed, for the better. That's just all it means. It gets better. It's going to be kind of odd, all the mathematics that the kids are learning is going to go out the window when we reach type 1, type 2 civilization. But that's where the evidence leads us. That's the best thing to go. So it's not all bad news from there. It's just this is where we go to the unknown, Alien civilizations, they probably use a different form of mathematics, dimensions, and then we find out why the things popping out of existence. And I know the religious people are going to be scared once we get to this point, but it's just going to get to that point because everything advances, because science is going to affect the theology sooner or later, because that's just the way it's going to be, because things advance in the real world. And the religion can only hold so much until the reality becomes the realness, and the science becomes the realness. Only the heaven and hell concept can only hold so much. The God concept can only hold so much. Because not only this, because you can think about it this way. If the Bible or the Holy Books was truly divine, right? We know the past, the present, and the future, right? But there's nothing in the future, right? It would be very detailed. It's just these people wrote it what they thought, and it's already been overturned because they locked Galileo up when he, the sun orbit the earth orbits the sun, the Bible was wrong, So not only that, a lot of contradictions. So the Bible is not God's word, or a God's word. So that's why it's false, and that the God of the Bible is, all religions are false. And the deist God wouldn't make any sense, because there's just no God that would come out of existence. Well, if a deist God existed, it would have already been detected by science by now. Because this God wouldn't be hiding like the religion Bible, remember? The religion Bible says it's invisible. So the deist God we would have detected it. Because we're detecting stuff out of our solar system. It would have already been detected. So, the mathematics is going to be rewritten. It's going to be a new branch of mathematics. It's going to affect the theology, because the more we go to the unknown. And that's going to be good, because people won't have to worry about hell or heaven and gods and demons, because all that would be gone, Science will get to the real point, the real explanation of it all. So it's going to be great. their mathematics, it might not be like more complicated than us, but I guess it would be more complicated because we would have to decipher this new branch of mathematics that we don't know. But maybe when we find out how it is, maybe it will be easier because it's more advanced than us. See what I'm saying? So probably hard to decipher at first, then we'll learn about it. And then, so we're going to Jupiter. Scientists says they have good feeling there's life there. So when we find out in Jupiter, we'll take the samples and see if we'll have the intelligent life on Europa's. Jupiter has several moons on the Europa moon. Mars actually has hills and valleys too, from the pictures I've seen. It's very beautiful, actually. Yeah. So the theology is going to get affected, no question, sooner or later. Because, like I said, it can only hold so much when science would be explaining more and more. And that's what it's going to be. It's going to be great. We're living in the best, greatest time of our lives to find out all this mysteries of all existence that we ever wanted to find out in our lifetime. And we live in the greatest times. And you could tell your kids, one day how it all started. And you could tell them there never was a God, and those holy books will be banned, and it's a good idea they're banning them, And I think this experience is going to be a worldwide on cable. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Live peace and prosper. I'm out.